My name is G. Vishnuvardhan. Today's subject is organizational behavior. My roll number is 244G580120. I am from civil engineering. Today's topic is explain the concept, nature, and scope of organizational culture. Introduction to organizational culture. Organizational culture refers to shared values, beliefs, and behaviors that shape how works get done within an organization. It influences employee behavior, decision-making process, and overall organizational performance. Understanding organizational culture is essential for effective management and leadership. Concept of organizational behavior. The concept of organizational culture imposes the unwritten rules and social norms that govern workplace dynamics. It can be seen as a social glue that binds members of an organization together. Organizational culture is often reflecting in organizations' practices, policies, and daily operations. Nature of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is a dynamic and evolve over time due to internal and external influences. It is deeply embedded in the organization's history, structure, and leadership style. The nature culture can vary significantly between organizations and industries, creating unique work placement environments. Key elements of organizational culture. Key elements of organizational culture includes values, rituals, symbols, practices that define organization's identity. Leadership styles and communication patterns significantly shape these elements. The element of these elements contribute to a cohesive organizational identity. Importance of organizational culture. A strong organizational culture can enhance employee engagement and retention. It fosters a sense of belonging and can improve collaboration and teamwork. Organizations with a positive culture often experience high levels of productivity and innovation. Accessing organizational culture. Accessing organizational culture involves using surveys, interviews, and observational methods to gauge employee perceptions. Tools such as cultural audits can help identify strengths and areas for improvement. Regular assessments ensure that the culture aligns with the organization's goals and values. Changing organizational culture. First one means define future state outcomes and results. Second one access current state and readiness. Design a change management plan. Number 4 implement and mentor the plan. Number 5 stabilize change. Number 6 evaluate mid and long term results. Changing organizational culture. Changing organizational culture requires strategic planning and commitment from leadership. It often involves redefining values, behaviors, and practices to align with new organizational goals. Successful culture change initiatives include clear communication, employee involvement, and continuous reinforcement. Conclusion. Organizational culture plays a vital role in shaping the workplace environment and influencing organizational success. Understanding its concept, nature, and scope can help leaders implement effective strategies and for growth. Cultivating a positive organizational culture is essential for achieving long-term organizational objectives. Thank you.